Hi guys, welcome back to Sophia's Hair Shop. So today I'm going to be doing my curly hair routine, otherwise known as a wash and go. And today all you're going to need is your blow dryer, a diffuser, some type of cream, a bit of gel, any will do. I'm going to be using Eco Styler. Some type of detangle brush, I use the denim brush, and some type of oil. I'm going to be using castor oil today. I just got out the shower, I washed my hair, so it's clean. Okay, so just follow along. After I sectioned off about a quarter of my hair, I just took some gel, and then you're just going to slowly take small pieces, very small pieces, and then you're going to take a little bit of gel. This process is long. Then you're going to curl it in the direction that the curl naturally goes. And then as you can see, the definition, and then you're just going to slowly do that to your whole entire head. Okay, so I finished doing the other side, and now all you're going to want to do is get your diffuser. You're going to put it on warm, and you're going to put it on high. Get the settings correct. Hold it. Just hold it for a few seconds, and then when you finally do the ends, you're going to want to go around the head, just like that. Okay, so I just finished diffusing my hair. It took me a while, so please, if you don't have time, don't do this hairstyle because otherwise it's not gonna come out the way that you want it to. One of my last steps that I do is I just add the oil. I'm using the castor oil like I said earlier. Just put a little bit in your palm. Nothing crazy. Stripping. Ah! Rub it. Get your roots. Please get your roots. Please get your roots. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Add a little bit more. Get my roots. And then I'm gonna scrunch up with the oil because I need my curls to be shining. Like these little curls you have, the big ones, you could actually separate it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate a few. Especially the ones in the front. Now all you're gonna do, you can either get a wide tooth comb, I just use my fingers. You're gonna bend your head down and then you're gonna fluff out. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye.